Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Brian with OMG Card Pulls, and this is the third and final Boombox unboxing. We're saving the best for last. It is the Platinum Football offering from Boombox. So if you've followed the channel, I did the high-end baseball and high-end basketball. We did not get too lucky there, but this is the $100 offering. I believe there's some guaranteed hits in here as well. So let's just go ahead and crack it open and see if we can get some third time's the charm luck going on here. All right. So again, hopefully this helps you in deciding whether or not you want to participate in this subscription service. Just gives you an idea of what's in the box and what you can get. And that leads me to this very helpful description that comes in every box. So for February's Platinum box, we have featured Contenders draft picks, a 2019 Prism, 2019 Contenders, 2019 Optic, 2019 Playoff, and a 2015 Field Access. The ticket promo is the LGA ticket promo. There are one of 10 that you could possibly find. And top prizes, Lamar Jackson, custom framed autographed jersey, Jerry Rice autographed football, or a 2019 XR hobby box. Not bad. I am going to assume that we didn't get lucky again. That's okay. Let's get these out here. We got the one touch. They always include a one touch. Is there a ticket in there? Negative. No ticket. All right. All right. So, all right. Let's see what we got here. So, ooh, we got a rogue popcorn. All right. Get that out of here. All right, so we have that 2019 Contenders. We have the Playoff Pack. Donruss Elite, that's an extra one. The Field Access 2015, one autograph per pack. So I guess that's the guarantee. We got the Contenders in there. We have the Optic, the Prism, and the Contenders draft picks, right? So, let's see, we got draft picks, we got Prism, Contenders, Optic, Playoff, and Field Access. And the two bonus packs are the Elite and the Certified. Again, they always say, you get 6 to 10, depending. So these are the two extras not on the list. So let's see if we can get some luck. Some cardboard lady luck here. We'll start with Certified. All right. We got a Matty Stafford, Sean Watson, DJ Moore, and ooh, hello, a 1 of 5. Okay. Drew Simple. I don't know who it is. But it is a 1 of 5, so I feel obligated to put it in a top loader. If there's any Cincinnati Bengals fans who know who this guy is, he's the second coming of George Kittle, you let me know. All right, we finish this off with a Derrick Henry Record Breakers. I like that card. I'm gonna top load that card as well. I'm a big fan of Derrick Henry. All about the ground and pound. I thought he did a good job in the playoffs. I mean, that whole Titans team did a good job. Nobody thought they'd be there. I enjoyed watching them. All right, so everything else goes in the pile. Let's go with this Elite with the Zeke on the front. Speaking of running backs, they're having some issues over there trying to figure out how much to pay Dak, since apparently he thinks he's worth a little bit more than they're willing to pay. Leighton Vander Esch, this guy's a defensive monster. I love watching him play. Eli Manning. Wow, this probably is the last. Oh, hello. I think we have a special card. Let's see, Hardman Jr. All right, out of 699, 651 out of 699. I pulled a pretty cool relic of him recently. I think it was an autograph relic. So I'll just get these out. That way we start protecting these cards a little bit better. Hardman Jr. If you're a KC fan, let me know. Like I said, this could be yours. All you have to do is drop a comment. Say what's up. Tell me how much you like McCall Hardman. All right. What else we got? Adam Thielen and Josh Rosen. Okay. Very nice looking cards. That goes in the pile. All right, so you know what? I'm going to do something a little different. I want to start with some fire. I want to start with an autograph, okay? We deserve it. The channel deserves it. I did not have any luck, no relics in the last two breaks, so Boombox, this is the first relic, all right? And I know I'm getting it because it says I'm getting it, so. All right, Devin Gardner, Ruben Randall, Duke Johnson, rookie, Pierre Thomas, Jeremy Hill, and is this the auto? Alex Carter. I do not know who you are. He is a corner for the Detroit Lions. Well, it is a rookie at least. So, who knows? It could be something. All right, we got an auto, guys. We officially have an auto. So you know what? There we go. So I don't feel so bad. We got a little something, something. All right. Jason Barrett, Amari Cooper, rookie. Luke. He's retiring. I think he just announced that he's retiring. Young to retire. All right, let's get after it, guys. Come on, playoff. Let's rally. Boot and rally. Let's do this. I don't know. So far, for the $100 price, I don't know how I feel about it so far. I mean, look, it's a great selection. That I don't want to take away. It is a very good selection of packs, but I don't. Return is, yeah. Rob Gronkowski, Kurt Warner, Charles Woodson, Larry Fitz. Oh, wait a second. Did I speak too soon? Nick Bosa. Okay. And Thunder and Lightning. DeAndre Hopkins and Lamar Miller. All right. I like those cards. And a Marquise Brown rookie. I mean, I'm not going to top load him. I'm just not. Still got a long way to go. However, Bosa's going to get one. Because I like Bosa. How can you not like Bosa? Didn't win the chip, but that's okay. A little Thunder and Lightning. Any Texans fans out there? It's a fun looking card. All right. We got some stuff going on here. You know, a couple of hits, not bad. That 1-5 green parallel from Certified. It's pretty cool. Optic. I love Optic. I'll take either one of those guys. I'll take an auto, actually. If, you know, Lady Cardboard's willing to give me one. All right, guys, let's get after it. Myles Garrett. Oh, man, that's the helmet he's going to throw. So that's why they put it in the corner of the card. Ryan Kerrigan. And rated rookie, Hunter Renfrow. Okay. I actually like Hunter Renfrow. All right. Nice little refractor. Refractor? I think that's a refractor. And then Jamel Dean. One touch that Myles Garrett. Just in case he decides to throw something at me. I don't know. It's just me. If you aim your helmet at somebody's head and you miss, I think you should still suffer some level of consequence, and I think he's coming back a little too soon for having done something like that. That's just my personal opinion. I'm seeing a trend. Baseball, football. I mean, there's some things, unsavory things that are happening, and the people that are committing said unsavory things are getting away with it. Punishments are not fitting the crime. You gotta lay down the law, or they're gonna just get away with things like cheating and trying to send someone to the hospital. Devontae Parker, big fan of the Contender season ticket cards. I always have been. Aaron Rodgers, looks like we got a little something, something. All right, the winning ticket, Russell Wilson. Nice card. I like me a Russell Wilson. Ben Roethlisberger, not so much. And Drew Brees. In the pile. Yeah, all right, Russell. You're going to go in. There goes a one touch. You're going in, buddy. All right. We're down to 2. Well, I'm going to save the prism for the end. Prism. The prism for the end. Let's go with the collegiate football cards. Maybe we get that Kyler Murray auto. Why not? Gotta get something. All right. That's cool. The old school. J.J. Watt, huh? Look at that. A.J. Green. Brett Favre. That's a cool card. Actually, you know what? I take it back. These are pretty nice. Nick Chubb. Darius Squeechy. And Devin Singletary? Auto, maybe? Hey, a Devin Singletary auto. Not bad. I'll take a Devin Singletary auto. Very cool. We're getting on the hit train. We got a couple autos. Although everyone should know my pet peeve by now, I'm not a very big fan of the sticker auto. I like a good old on-card auto. We got 2 sticker autos. I'm not going to complain. It's third Boombox, second hit. So there's that. Okay. Let me know if there's any Devin Singletary fans out there. You know the drill by now. Trayvon Williams. Kelvin Harmon. We got here Darius Slayton. Bryce Love. That's cool. Legacy, Marshall Faulk, Rashad Penny. That's a cool card. Tim Tebow. Oh, boy. Deshaun. Saquon. And oh, hey. All right. So, look. If you haven't figured it out by now, I'm a diehard Jets fan. So, if I find anything like this, it's going on a one touch. It's going into my personal collection. This isn't for you. This is for me. Yeah. Put him away on the side. Excellent. All right, guys. So we're down to the end. Down to the end. All right. Last hope. We got a couple hits. Let's end this one on a high note. On a booming high note. All right. Josh Allen, Jordan Reed, Julian Edelman, Jack Doyle, Miller, Amendola, Bledsoe, it's the wrong Patriot, Derwin James. All right, we got something fun here. Warren Moon, and Golden Tate III. He didn't do too much. The Giants. That is out of 199. Okay. Last pack. That's fine. We'll put it in there. Miles Gaskin, rookie. Montez Sweet. And that is all she wrote. Sweat. Sweet? We'll just call him Montez. All right, so that was the Platinum Boombox unboxing. A couple of autos. Let's pull these guys up for a quick recap. Yeah, this is the $100 offering. And look, I'm breaking these for you guys. You know, I ordered these without any sort of, you know, tipping that I'd be doing videos or posts, because I want it to be honest. I want to open these boxes. I want you guys to see if the hits are something that you would value at the given amount. So this was $100. So if you feel that you saw $100 worth of hits, then subscribe, grab it. It's a good pack offering. At the end of the day, not everybody's going to hit the miracle card, but there are some hits. And here we go. We got the Hardman, numbered to 699. Got the record breaker Henry. We got the probably the nicest one, I guess, the 1 out of 5. Drew Sample, green parallel. Winning ticket, Russell Wilson, Nick Bosa, rookie wave. Lamar Miller, DeAndre Hopkins, Thunder and Lightning. The Hunter Renfrow, rated rookie refractor. The blue parallel for Golden Tate. This was numbered out of 199. And the 2 hits, auto hits. Alex Carter, rookie, don't know who he is. And the Devin Singletary Contenders, rookie auto. So, all right, that'll do, guys. This is Brian with OMG Card Pulls. See you next time.